Hi, my name is Alina. I'm 33 years old and I live in Dubai. Today I want to share with you a real discovery, a lymphatic drainage workout that has truly changed the way I feel every day. I've created this short and super effective routine for you where each exercise lasts just 20 seconds. It's quick, easy, and perfect even if you have very little time. If you're just starting out, try doing even 10 seconds per exercise and you'll be surprised how quickly your body starts to transform. Swelling goes down and you feel lighter, your skin gets firmer, and yes, you might even start to lose weight. Why does it work? Because this type of workout stimulates your lymphatic system, which plays a key role in flushing out toxins and excess fluids from the body. When the lymph system is sluggish, we feel heavy, tired, and bloated. But gentle, rhythmic movement helps wake up the lymph nodes and get everything flowing again. So go ahead and follow along with me. Do it at your own pace and just start. Your body will thank you. So how does this workout actually help your body? When we move gently and rhythmically, we activate the lymphatic system, a part of our body that does have a pump, like a heart. It just works when we move. The lymphatic system helps remove waste, toxins, and excess fluid. Just when we're not active enough, it can flow slow and clog. That's when we start to feel puffy, tired, and heavy, and we may even gain weight without understanding why. This workout is designed to wake up your lymph flow, especially around areas like the neck, armpits, stomach, hips, and knees, where important lymph nodes are located. By doing this light exercise, we're hoping the body to flush out what it doesn't need and bring the fresh energy. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and over time your skin may become tighter, your face less puffy, and your digestion better. I feel it on myself. It's not about burning calories, it's about resetting and supporting your body from the inside. Let me tell you a little bit about how this workout helped me personally. I actually came across this type of lymphatic workout by complete accident just about 3 months ago. At first, there weren't many exercises in the videos I found, so it was really hard to get into the routine. I was just repeating the same movement over and over again, and my exercise didn't take more than 5 minutes. But now I've put together a full routine for you, a real workout system, and believe me, it truly works. I personally do it 50 seconds, 55 seconds, sometimes 1 minute per exercise. Even though I'm quite slim, I had saggy skin on my back, especially around the shoulder blades and even in my legs. The skin felt loose and weak no matter how many regular workouts I did. Nothing helped. I thought I'm just getting older and I should deal with this. My muscles were there, but the skin itself just didn't look toned. I even started noticing visible cellulite, and I honestly didn't know what else I can try. It felt like my body was aging faster than I wanted, like I was saying goodbye to my youth, and I was actually eating pretty healthy and having a really healthy lifestyle. I don't drink or I don't smoke. But then I found this routine and I swear it changed everything. Now my back looks firmer and the cellulite has smoothed out and my whole body feels tighter and lighter. I swear by this. You should try this. I can't imagine stopping now. This routine became a true game changer for me, and I believe it will be the same for you too. Some of you may think that certain exercises like walking on your knees are too difficult, especially for older people. And I totally understand that. But here's the good news. You don't have to do them at all, or you can do them on the floor. You don't have to do it on the floor right away. You can start on your bed or in your sofa, whatever it feels softer and more comfortable for you. What really matters is that you start small, take your time, listen to your body. You don't have to push through the pain. You don't have to go full force. from day one. Just be gentle with yourself, love yourself, be consistent, and most importantly, take care of yourself first. This movement also stretches your entire body. You might think at first, there is no way I can lift my knees that high. And that's okay. I was there too. I couldn't lift them that high either when I just started. Honestly, I didn't feel great doing that. But over time, everything changed. Now I feel super comfortable. So will you. Just trust the process, give your body time. With consistency, your muscle will stretch, your posture will improve, even your energy will shift. You'll feel lighter, freer, and more alive. And please leave a comment sharing how many times you've done the workout, how long you've been able to do each exercise, and what's your favorite exercise. And most importantly, are you seeing any changes in your body or how you feel? This truly means a lot to me. I'm sharing this from my own experience because I know how frustrating it can be to train and still struggle with sagging skin on the back, legs, arms. I've seen so many women and men dealing with the same issue. My mom is 52 years old. She's doing these exercises with me and she has definitely seen a huge difference in her body. I do recommend it for all different generations, not just my age, but older generations and younger too. So let's break the silence. This is not just my problem. This is something so many of us go through and it can improve. That's why I encourage you to engage your family members, husbands, wives, moms, and dad. This isn't just about looking better, it's about feeling better, moving better, living better. So please share how you feel after the workout. I read every message. Your feedback matters, not just to me, but the whole growing community. Thank you for the bottom of my heart for watching, for joining me, and for choosing to take care of yourself. We are all together in this. I truly hope your body responds well to these exercises, and I'm sure of it, and that you feel amazing afterwards, just like I did. The simple movement completely changed the way I look at exercises. I used to think small exercises didn't matter, small weight didn't matter, but they do. They make a huge difference. They've helped me feel stronger, more alive, and more energized. I genuinely feel like I'm letting go of something that was holding me back. The heaviness, the bloating, the stiffness, and now I move with more freedom and my mood is so much better. I am reversing the time. So keep going, stay consistent, and remember, even the smallest step forward is still a step. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you.